Meaning of High Court.
High Court.
High Court.
High Court.
High Court. The term High Court typically refers to the highest court of appeal in a particular jurisdiction, usually at the national or federal level. In some countries, it may also refer to a court with original jurisdiction over certain types of cases, such as constitutional or criminal matters. The High Court is generally considered to be a court of last resort, meaning that its decisions are final and binding. Some examples of high courts include the High Court of Australia, a High Court of England and Wales, and the Indian Supreme Court.